What's going on, guys? Caden at Speed Industry here, and today is a special day because it is now the month of November. So that means new products. We have a ton of new products for you guys, including the GR86, Supra, and GR Corolla. If you guys want to see all the new products for the GR86/BRZ, go check out our 86 Speed account where we'll go all over the 86 stuff. So like I said, we have a ton of new stuff, including power mods, suspension mods for both the GR Supra and the GR Corolla. So without further ado, let's dive into the video and check out the new stuff. So first new part we have on the website is the GR Corolla Flex Fuel Kit. Now we'll have a full in-depth video of how to install the kit, but we'll be releasing our very own Speed Industry branded Flex Fuel Kit with the help of our friends over at TMS. That will be all plug and play. Now the kit will come with the Flex Fuel Analyzer, the CAN bus Flex Fuel Analyzer, the steel braided lines, and the wiring harness, so it's plug and play. Now as far as power numbers, we don't know what we're going to be aiming for, but we are going to be revamping the GR Corolla to be pushing for some more serious power, so stay tuned with that. Because not only we're installing the Flex Fuel Kit, we have the all-new Artec Turbo made for the GR Corolla's G16 engine. So what is the Artec Turbo? So basically it is a Garrett G25 550 heart with some Artec touches. Artec has taken this turbo and made it specifically for the GR Corolla by making their own Artec compressor cover, hot side, and exhaust manifold. Not only that, they have also teamed up with TurboSmart to make their own blow-off valve. This is a TurboSmart Artec EM blow-off valve. This blow-off valve is exclusive from Artec, and if you want one of these, you can only get it through Artec. So what's special about this turbo is that it is completely bolt-on, except for the tune. You'll need a tune for this turbo because it is obviously bigger. When I say it's completely bolt-on, that means that it is still water-cooled and oil-cooled. It does not require any custom fitting or cutting or welding. You just take your old turbo out and you put this turbo back on. And thanks to Ecutech, we'll be having a full tune for the GR Corolla with this turbo. Artec claims they make 410 horsepower on 100 octane. So with E85, we're not sure what power numbers we're going to be aiming for, so stay tuned on that. What you get in the box is obviously the turbo drain, and the turbo feed, and the water outlet. And you also get an Artec accessories box that has some gaskets inside. So super excited to get both the Flex Fuel Kit and the Turbo Kit on our GR Corolla and make some serious power, guys. I'm super excited. We'll just have to see what kind of power we're gonna make. Okay, so we just went over the Flex Fuel Kit and the Turbo. Now up next on our website is the Verus Brake Cooling Kit for the Marizo Edition GR Corolla. Now Verus has came out with a brake cooling kit for the standard GR Corolla, but now they have an exclusive kit for the Marizo specifically. The brake kit comes with a backing plate, pre-cut brake hoses, hose clamps, and a 3D printed carbon nylon inlet duct. And what's great about Verus is that it is made right here in the USA, so you guys won't be hit with some crazy tariffs. All right, next up for the GR Corolla, we got the Tein Flex Z coilovers. Now we all know and love Tein and how good of a brand it is. The Tein Flex Z coilover is one of the best entry-level coilovers you can get because their spring rates aren't super stiff and it gives a good quality ride. However, it is still putting on that performance effect. The spring rates is a 7K front and 8K rear. It has an adjustable ride height and it is compatible with their EDFC dampening controller module. Now what's great about this kit is that it comes with upper top hats, so you don't have to take off your old coilovers and separate them, take the old top hat and put it on the Teins. It is just a lot of work. With the Tein Flex Z's coming with the camber plates, it makes the installation process so much smoother, and with the camber plates you get, well, an extra camber adjustment. And because these are one-way coilovers, it has a 16-click dampening adjustment knob as well. Now up next is one of my most favorite parts of this list is the DC Sports Catback. Now we recently just put one of these exhausts on a customer car. I'll have a link right here for you guys. But this exhaust is a 3-inch diameter, so it is a little bit larger than OEM. So it gives it that deep growl tone to it. It has a resonator and 2 mufflers on the axle back. So that means it has no drone, but it still makes it a little bit louder than stock. You can option this exhaust with a chrome tip, black chrome tip, or even a burnt tip look. So there's a couple different options depending on what you want for your build. And on top of that, we also have the DC Sports front pipe and the DC Sports valve controller. So what the valve controller is a module that you plug into the car, and you have 3 modes. You have open, closed, and OEM function. Obviously open, it is open all the time. Closed, closed all the time if you don't want to wake up your neighbors. And OEM is basically the same as the OEM function. I believe the OEM function of the valve is that it opens over a certain speed or RPM. So there's a couple different ways if you want to control the valve on the fly. Okay, so that's it for the GR Corolla parts. Now it's time for the Supra parts of the website. First up, we have the Verus Ventus 2 Aero package. The Ventus 2 is the same body kit as the Ventus 1, except it has a front lip and side skirts. This Aero kit is beneficial because it adds front grip and adds stability throughout the corners. The Ventus 2 Aero kit can produce up to 200 pounds of downforce at up to 120 miles an hour because it is made out of a carbon nylon. So that means you get more front grip and better stability throughout the corners. And if you're worried about weight or how strong they are, it is made out of a carbon thermoplastic. So it keeps it strong and very lightweight. And while we're on the topic of Verus, we also have the Verus motor mount. So the reason why you would want to get an upgraded motor mount for your Supra is because as you're driving and putting power to the rear wheels, that motor will want to shift. And as it shifts, you can lose a little bit of response. So the Verus motor mount kit reduces the amount of engine rocking, and it comes with 3 different bushings, each one with a different stiffness level depending on what you guys want. If you guys want the soft version because you are daily driving the car, because you're wanting it to be a little bit more comfortable around town, you can do that. Or if you are a full racetrack guy, you can put the stiffest setting, which is the blue one. It reduces the amount of engine rocking for better power delivery, less compliant driveline, and a better connected driver feel. This kit is a CNC machined 6061 T6 material, so it's very strong, so you guys don't have to worry about how brittle it is. On top of that, it's also anodized for corrosion resistance. Like I said before, Verus is all made in-house in the USA. In the kit, you get 2 motor mount bases, 2 motor mount bushing retainers, 8 78 durometer bushings, 8 88 durometer bushings, and 8 98 durometer bushings. You also get the hardware kit and including all hardware necessary for a seamless install. Last thing we got for today's video is the Seibon engine cover. This is a very flashy engine cover made out of carbon fiber. No painting necessary, but I think it would look pretty cool if you could do some custom paint work to it, but that's just my 2 cents. It is a show ready, uses OEM hardware, uses 3K 2x2 fabric carbon fiber. So whether if you want to show off your flashy engine bay, you want to go faster around the corners at the track, or if you want to make some more power, we have the solution for you guys. If you guys want to check out all the new products on our website, I'll have a link in the description below to everything we got so you guys can check it out. So with that, guys, we'll see you in the next video.